Mirka's storage cases are tough and durable. These cases resist dust and liquids, keeping tools safe and clean, prolonging their life, while keeping gear organised. These cases are a great solution for transporting your gear to your worksite. These cases are stackable, they lock together, and are strong enough to carry more than one case at a time. These cases come in 3 sizes. The standard case is best suited to store Mirka tools like the Diros or Dios sanders when used with the tool case inlay. This case can hold 2 tools. The deep case is well suited to hold 150mm abrasives when used with the case inlay for 150mm discs. The extra deep case is the perfect size for all of your polishing gear. You can fit your 1-litre compounds and much more. These cases can also be used in conjunction with Mirka dust extractors and workstations.